Hi guys, welcome back. I'm gonna show you something about the Logitech G25 and G27 because it's almost the same circuit board for this. So I bought this G25 for my kid, and something was broke in it, and I just want to show you guys the trick. The ground there, that little part goes there, and it's for the paddle, and this one was broke. So I change it, and I don't want to unsolder all this piece and break something. So I got a trick to repair it. Super simple. So you take any pen with spring inside, like this. Take your boat, this one, and you just go through the spring like this. It's gonna be look like this, just to make a ground and make the contact for the board. So it's not rocket science. So you can ply it, you can pry it after. This, so it's straight, but it's too long because, as you see, the steering, it's made of metal, and the spring gonna go there to make the contact. So I took the base like this and cut the spring just a little longer, so you're not gonna have to compress it like a crazy and broke something. So just a little like this, and et voila, it's fixed. No sold, no wheeled, no trouble. It's super simple, and that's work now. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my next video and my next things. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks again, guys. Peace.